Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin, a team member from your Pipedrive account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a team member or an admin from your Pipedrive account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and sometimes they go their own way, so you need to remove access to your Pipedrive. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to remove a team member or an admin, you need to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Manage Users. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the admins and users in your Pipedrive. This is a test account, so you can see it's just me. However, in order to delete or remove one of the team members, you're going to look to the right and see these three dots. This is for active members. Also for invited members, you can go ahead and remove them. So you just click on invited, and it's going to be the same thing. Click on these three dots to the right. If you're going to be removing more than one, you can check these little boxes next to their name, and then you can go ahead and deactivate their account here. So for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and just do one by one. So three dots here. And then since these are invited, it's going to say cancel invite instead of deactivate. Okay, I went ahead and canceled this invitation, or if you deactivate, the page is going to refresh, and now you can see that user has now been removed from my Pipedrive account. So they're not going to be able to access any of the data inside of Pipedrive. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to deactivate or remove an admin or a team member in your Pipedrive account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.